So good morning from Bangkok. Like, this is so crazy. I just woke up not too long ago, so don't mind the way that I look. Oh my gosh, this is literally the most exciting thing ever. I am woken up, I'm in a great mood, feeling great, got a great night's sleep, and I'm just loving this weather right now. It is really hot here. It is a little bit humid. My hair is curling up now. As you guys can tell from yesterday, it was straight, but yeah, it's another day in Bangkok, my first morning here, and I'm really excited about it. I just made myself some matcha tea. If you are a matcha tea lover like me, you are going to bring your own matcha tea and your own frother, because that is exactly what I did, because I am extra, because a matcha tea is a must for me in the mornings, and I have to have it. It is like, it's a must. Like, it's not an option not to have it. Because I can't have coffee. It's like, coffee is too strong for me. It gives me like the jitters and stuff, and I don't like to feel like that in the morning. So I like to feel like a nice calm energy in the morning. Even though I'm like naturally pretty bubbly and positive in the morning, it just helps to have that extra boost. Plus the fact that I'm on a different time schedule, and it is literally 10-hour difference from where I am back in the States, so I need that because the jet lag is still a little bit real, but I'm slowly getting adjusted to it because I got really good night's sleep yesterday. So I'm just going to hang out right here on my balcony. I thought I was going to be able to pull my chair up and sit on the balcony, but I can't, so I have to literally like sit like this and look outside like this. So yeah, I'm really just sitting here like this because the chair won't fit outside. But this is Bangkok in the morning. I really thought some roosters were going to be waking me up this morning, but I didn't hear nothing. It's probably because I was so knocked out. But this is what it looks like. This is not the city. This is just like a local area spot. I don't know. I love living like this. Like, this to me is like the best. I don't know. It's just like you have like a cool country that you're in, but you're also like living like in a local spot. I mean, I'm not going to be here for much longer, but it's just really nice to be able to see how they live and how they go about their day. So here I am sipping my matcha tea. As you guys can see, yummy, yummy, yummy. I love me some matcha tea. That's pretty good. So there's a local like 7-Eleven around the corner, so I went there yesterday and I got some oat milk. It was kind of hard to find because everything is in Thai and I couldn't really understand everything, so I had to like Google search what their oat milk looked like. So I did that and I was able to find it, and I got like 2 little bottles of it. I'll show you guys, they're so cute. And I just put it in the warmer, like a tea kettle thing that you have inside your hotel rooms. So I put it inside there and I warmed the milk up, and then I have my own frother and my own matcha tea that I brought with me, and I just mix them together, and here you go, voila. Cheers. I feel like I'm so extra and bougie, but you gotta do what you gotta do, because this is really hitting the spot right now, and it makes me feel a lot more like home just having my matcha tea in the morning. So I literally want to say, if anyone is looking to come to Thailand, just come. Like, literally just come. It's like literally so amazing. And I haven't even done much, but it's just like the culture, the people here are so nice and friendly, and I just feel like safe and at home here. I don't know, like there's just something about traveling for me, and it really just, I don't know, you guys, like I just like, I really, really, really love traveling. Like, I love going and putting myself outside of my comfort zone and going to different places in the world and just seeing like what other people's cultures are, and just really immersing and embracing myself inside of their culture and traditions, and like eating their food. It's just something that you don't get to experience in school. Like, you just learn about certain things and certain people's cultures, but immersing yourself into it and actually going to a different country and living, not living like them, but sort of just embracing yourself in their type of way of living is just such a good education to get. And for me, it is something that's like really heartwarming and just, I don't know, it just inspires me to be like a better person and more open-minded. And I'm really liking Thai culture so far. And I don't know, I just really love the fact of being inside someone else's culture and just learning about what they do, how they eat, you know, how they go about their daily lives. Like, to me, like, that is just such a rewarding experience. And you don't get to experience like stuff like that in school. Obviously, like, you learn about different cultures depending on what school you go to and what subjects you're learning. But once you come to a different country and you place yourself in their culture and you like immerse yourself, and I'm not just talking about like staying in like resorts and like fancy hotels. I'm like talking about like a hotel like this. It's like, this is where the locals live, and I'm in a section where they're all just going about their daily lives and you can just see it in action, and it's just so cool to me. Like, I love it. That's just education for me in itself. And it just really allows me to become more open-minded and just like a better person, of just like understanding other people's values, traditions, and cultures. And it's not just all about like the American way, you know, things like that. Like, that's never what I've been really accustomed to. Like, my dad is from Jamaica, so like I've always had like a cultural presence like in my life. And it's, I don't know, for me, I've just always wanted to explore other cultures, and traveling for me has done that, and it's just been such an amazing experience. So to be able to experience like Thai culture, and I'm going to experience like Indonesian culture and whatever other countries I'm going to, it's just going to be like, it's going to be great. So I can't wait to show you guys, and I can't wait to bring you guys along so you guys can experience it with me. So anyone who's looking to come to Thailand or Southeast Asia, just come, just freaking come. Like, you will love it. And immerse yourself. Like, immerse yourself. Don't go to the resorts and stay in like the typical places. Like, go out and experience like what this culture has to offer for you, because Thai people are so amazing. They're so nice, and it's just great. Like, 10 out of 10 recommend this country, and I haven't even explored it yet. So I know there's so much more to come and so much more to see, and I cannot wait. So yeah, the food is phenomenal. I had an amazing meal last night. I should have showed you guys, but it was minced pork with white rice and 2 fried eggs. Oh my god, it was so good, and it was so spicy, and it was a lot of food, and it was only literally $3. $3. And I had it delivered too, so that was with delivery, and the extra egg. $3. Like, what? Like, that's crazy. So I'm about to order some breakfast here now. There's this app called Grab. So literally, if anyone does decide to come here, make sure you download that before you come, or you can download it when you get here. It doesn't really matter. But it's like an app. It's pretty much like Uber and Airbnb combined together. So you can order food from there. You can order a ride. You can also book hotels, and you can also book experiences like sightseeing things. So it's a really cool way to like have everything all in one if you're trying to explore like Thailand. I'm not sure about other countries, if it's the same, or if this Grab is just like for all of Southeast Asia. I guess I'll see when I go to like Bali and other places. But I don't know, it's just such a cool app. So I ordered food off of there yesterday, and that's what I got. And it was like 10 o'clock, and I was trying to figure out how to order it because everything was in Thai, and I had to literally use Google Translate to be able to translate everything so I can order. Not everything's like that on the menu, by the way. I was just looking at breakfast this morning, and there's some stuff that's in English. But yeah, like, it delivered here in literally 10 minutes. Like, it took me 10 minutes to just order it and try to figure it out. Well, it took me longer than that to try to figure it out and order everything. But it came here so quick. And the people are so nice. They just came and dropped it off. They forgot utensils, so he literally went back to go grab me some utensils because I don't have any here in my hotel room, and he gave them to me, and it was just so nice. And they just greet you with a smile, and then they like bow to you too with like the amen. I can't show you obviously because I'm holding my camera in my hand, but it's just like, I don't know, it's been a good experience so far, so I'm excited. But I'm about to finish my matcha tea and go grab some breakfast and have it delivered here, and then I'm going to start my day. I'm going to be chilling by the pool today and planning out the rest of my trip, and that's pretty much it. Like, I booked this hotel to have it like a chill like first 2 days because I'm going to be moving around a lot more. So I just want to get all my like relaxation in, my sleep, and get as much rest as possible before I start moving around Bangkok and the rest of Thailand. So yeah, I will come back to you guys soon and show you what the rest of my day is looking like. So I finally got my breakfast. Well, it's considered brunch now. I normally eat brunch anyway. So I got a matcha green tea latte because I wanted to try how it is here in Thailand. So I got some of that, and then I got this breakfast, which is it's a waffle with eggs and bacon, but it's like a sandwich waffle. So I'm excited for that. Kind of got like a little bit of an American breakfast because I don't want anything like fried in the morning, just because like I don't know how that's going to be on my stomach earlier during the day. Even though like I'm cool with spicy foods, like I can eat pretty much spicy foods like any time of the day, but I just particularly don't care for it in the morning. So I decided to stay away from the fried rice and egg in the morning. So I just got like a traditional breakfast, something sweet with also something a little bit salty because that's what I really like, and then my matcha tea. So I'm excited to see how that tastes and see what it tastes like here in Thailand, see if it is as good as American matcha green tea lattes. So yeah, I'm about to get ready here soon and head to the pool for the day. I gotta let my laptop charge, and I'm going to get some things done, finish planning my trip, and just chill by the pool all day and relax and just really enjoy this Thai sun. So I will take you guys with me when I go out to the pool so you guys can see what that is looking like, because I went there last night and it looked so amazing. I can't wait to swim there tonight too. So yeah, and then my hair will obviously be transitioning from straight to curly again because the Thai heat is something else, and like as you can see, it's already starting to like curl up. Like it's hot here, like really hot, but I'm not complaining because it is cold back where I am, back in the States. So I'm really enjoying this heat and this hot weather. So yeah, I'm going to go get ready and I will be back. Alright, I got the whole breakfast set up. This is what I ordered. Some eggs, bacon, and then my waffles. I got some syrup on the side, and then my matcha. It's melting away. And then this is my view. Brunch with a view. So excited to get in that pool. So I decided to get dressed up and put on some makeup to go by the pool because I'm probably going to be taking some pictures here. It is such a vibe here. I'm really excited to get in this water because it is super hot here. And yeah, and it's only like 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Like it was like 80 degrees when it was like 7 o'clock in the morning. Like it's crazy how hot it is here, but I'm dying to get in that pool. Like I cannot wait. So I'm gonna eat my breakfast or my brunch, and then I will take you guys around so you guys can see. Also, the brunch place that I got my breakfast from was called Sugar Day Coffee, and it's right here in Bangkok. Delicious. Definitely recommend. obsessed. Like, so obsessed. Like, it is such a vibe. Like, oh my gosh, obsessed. And can you believe it was only like $30 a night to be here? Like, that's insane to me. So I'm about to go hop in the pool and see what it's feeling like, because it is still like super hot out here, even though it's in the afternoon time. So yeah, I am excited to get inside this pool. So peace out.